Apricot-Sage Chicken with carrots. Ingredients: How to make it. Step 1. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high. Sprinkle chicken with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Add chicken to pan, cook 3 minutes each per side or until browned. Remove chicken from pan. Step 2. Combine stock, apricot preserves, and mustard in a bowl, stirring with a whisk. Add carrots, 1 tablespoon sage, and garlic to pan, sauté 4 minutes. Add apricot mixture and chicken to pan, reduce heat to medium, cover, and cook 8 minutes or until chicken is done. Remove pan from heat. Place chicken and carrots on a platter. Add remaining 1/4 teaspoon salt, remaining 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and butter to pan, swirling until butter melts. Spoon pan sauce over chicken, sprinkle with remaining 1 teaspoon sage.